What's up, you beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the -5,000 error that you might be experiencing in Adobe Illustrator when you try to save a template file. I'm going to walk you through the steps and you should be sorted. All right, let's get straight into it. All right, so you have created your template in Adobe Illustrator, and now you want to go to save it as a template. So you go to File, go down to Save as Template, and we're gonna name this template testy test. Oh, testy test, because I can, and I'm shouting apparently. And we're gonna go Illustrator template AIT save. But look, we get the error. Can't save the illustration. You do not have enough access privileges, ID -5,000. If this is what you're seeing, don't stress. This is what you want to do. Okay, so step one. Let's try to do that again. Okay, I'm going to show you why. What we want to look at is where this file is. So if you look here, we've gone to Adobe Illustrator 2024 under Applications, Cool Extras, EN_US, Templates, and I've got my templates here. Now, I've obviously fixed this issue before. I had to recreate it for you so that I could show you how to fix it. Okay, so now we know where to go. So click Cancel. Then you're going to press, you're going to go to your File Explorer. For me, it's Finder. So I'm going to go to my Finder, and I've already navigated to the section, but you're going to go to Applications, Adobe Illustrator 2024, Cool Extras, EN_US, and the Templates folder. Now, this is the folder that we have the problem with, all right? We're not going to fix individual folders here. We're going to fix the overarching Templates folder. So right-click it, and on a Mac, you're going to go to Get Info. On a PC, it is going to be a similar step. I do apologize, I don't have a PC anymore to show you the steps, but it should be very, very much similar. So we're going to scroll down, and if you look here under Sharing and Permission, it says here that System, Wheel, and Everyone can only read only, which means that we cannot do anything to the templates folder. As it stands, it can't be changed. So click on this little lock, okay, quickly type, okay, and unlock it. This is for Mac. With Windows, I honestly cannot remember if you'll have a locked thing, but you will need administrator privileges on a Windows machine, more than likely. So if you don't have administrator privileges, I can't English. If you don't have administrator privileges, talk to the person whose computer it is who does have administrator privileges, and they should be able to help you. All right, so on a Mac, you're going to go click on here and change this to read and write, read and write, and read and write. Okay, and then we're going to lock it up again. Okay, now it should be fixed, so we can close this. We don't need it anymore. And we're going to go back into Illustrator, and we're going to try again to save our template. So I'm going to go to File, Save as Template, and testing, testy test, because it's funny and I can. All right, and you can see we're in the same location still. Adobe Illustrator, Cool Extras, ENUS, Templates, and I'm just putting it in there. I'm not putting it in a subfolder because this is just for the video. I am going to delete it shortly afterwards. And click Save. And just like that, testing testy test is saved. If you want to access your template, you can close this. Go to File, New from Template. So if you look here, the shortcut is Command-Shift-N. All right, so Command-Shift-N will give you a new from template, and it'll automatically open up this templates folder, and then there it is, testing testy test. And press open, and there it is. And you can see here it says Untitled 4. So if I press Control S, it's going to give me the options to save this file as if it was just a normal file template in Illustrator. All right, guys, I hope that helped you and solved your problem. Please do like this video if it helped you. Consider subscribing. Also, very excited. I have recently joined Redbubble. Shameless plug moment. So, for those of you impatient people who don't want to stick around to the end, it's okay. Your problem is solved. You're welcome. For everybody else, if you'd like to kind of see what I'm getting up to, the company name, or I say company name, whatever the the shop name is called Everjoy Co. Because I want to bring some joy with some fun designs to the world. So yeah, that's what I have created. If you want to check it out, I will put the links in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love you guys. I hope you have an incredible day, weekend, evening, Christmas holiday. I don't know when you're watching this, but I hope it's fantastic. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers. Bye bye.